I don't know why I feel like I'm gonna like deteriorate by the end of this week.
In today's vlog, come along with me for college Halloweekend. It's midnight and guys, I have class in the morning.
The line, I literally feel like so nauseous, like I'm gonna throw up. I think Halloweekend won and I lost. Happy Halloween. I can't believe I just did the YouTuber straw sound effect. It is Thursday, October 31st, the first day of Halloweekend.
But what is Halloweekend, you may ask? Halloweekend is 3 to 4 days of partying to celebrate Halloween. And in college, it's one of the biggest nights of the fall semester. Students usually prepare multiple costumes to wear throughout the days.
Last year, I had multiple costumes for all the different days of partying, but I only have one this year. We're gonna have to finesse a DIY costume because I literally have nothing. It is a spooky day, day one, and I'm also feeling a little bit spooky on the inside. I woke up with a sore throat and I just kind of feel my body being a little bit weird right now. I feel like I'm gonna get sick these next few days. Yeah, I feel not good at all. I feel fine now, but I'm just worried that it's gonna progress. I've taken precautionary measure. I've had a kombucha. I've had a wellness shot from Trader Joe's. I've had a bunch of water, liquid IV. I've had a shake with a whole bunch of like veggies and good stuff. So I'm just like, bro, if I get sick, I'm just like. Now, my first outfit is Homelander, aka the only outfit I actually have. You guys know, if you've been keeping up with the college vlogs, that I ordered this Homelander outfit, and you know what, I tried it on today and it is a little bit small. So I had to cut this so I could pull it all the way up, but it's still kind of tight. I don't know, what was I expecting? It was literally from AliExpress for $20.
Obviously, we're starting with makeup. I wanted to do my normal everyday routine. I didn't want to do any special effects or anything elaborate. I also did my hair and just slicked it back to give a clean superhero vibe.
Bruh. So this is a men's costume. This is not made for women, so it does fit a little weird. But I'm gonna do my best to zip this up on my own.
It was so difficult to zip this thing up on my own because the costume was already tight and I couldn't reach the zipper behind me. It was a struggle, but we got it on.
If I have to go pee, that is gonna be a huge issue. Cape. Yeah.
I love that you can see the shoulder pads don't match up with my own shoulders. It's not perfect, but we have the full costume.
Homelander outfit is on. I want to go to the store and get some milk for some photos because Homelander loves milk.
Okay, hi, I'm at the village right now with Daisy, my matching partner in crime, the Deep. We're gonna possibly get milk, possibly get cookies.
If you know, you know.
Yes.
I found someone in the ocean that I need to save.
It's a gym shark!
It's a gym shark!
Bro, Kia is here. We ran into her literally while we were looking for a cough drop. Wait, I thought you were sick.
Low-key I was.
My throat is sore right now.
I took like a huge shot of NyQuil last night.
Well, I'm not sick though yet.
Yeah,
but it's like I feel like a glimmer.
glimmer.
After being delusional in Target, Daisy and I hopped in the car to go back to my apartment where my roommate was hosting a pregame.
I'm Gunther. Adventure Time costume. I'm just a penguin.
So I'm Ice King from Adventure Time, but I don't have my beard on my head. I don't have my beard on my hair because it's itchy and I have seasonal allergies. Right? This is good footage.
I am Jake the dog. Bam, Adventure Time.
I'm Catwoman, but without the mask.
I'm the leopard.
I'm a cameraman. I got a 1988 working camera. Sexy cop, sexy cop.
No, not that. I'm a security guard.
Costume is Daphne from Scooby-Doo.
After the pregame, we ordered a Lyft to go to the first party of the night. Yes, usually on Halloweekend you go to multiple parties in one night because some are good and some are bad. And this first one was extremely crowded. Like there were no open spaces.
What'd you do today?
Homework. Okay. It's a Thursday.
It's Halloween, so I did no homework.
What are you?
Maverick, baby. Hi, I'm Rocky.
Oh, nice.
Homelander.
Yeah.
Homelander.
I'm Saltburn Barry Keoghan. I eat from the bathtub.
This is my favorite movie of the year right here. Yeah. Art.
Yes. Finally. there's someone gets it.
This first party was honestly really fun. I saw a lot of familiar faces, met kind people, and danced with friends.
We're just leaving the first party. I had so much fun. I saw so many people that I knew. I bought a ticket to like the next party. It is currently, it's midnight, and guys, I have class in the morning. We are on our way.
The next party was a completely different vibe. It was a lot more open. There was an area to socialize and talk, but also an area to party and dance.
Oh, what is this?
I thought the party was over there, and I was like, why is it dead?
But honestly, I don't think it was as cool as the last party.
Guys, so many people are coming up to us. We're taking photos on the balcony, and they're like, Homelander, Medivh. We were walking down the street, everybody's like, oh my gosh. Night 1 of Halloweekend was success, and I'll see you guys for night 2.
Hi y'all, it's day 2 and I'm doing my makeup and my hair.
As y'all know, I didn't buy any other costumes, so today I thought I would do a DIY cheetah, leopard inspired look. I feel like makeup is the easiest way to finesse Halloween if you're on a budget or need a last minute costume.
Hi guys! Okay, it is day 2 of Halloweekend. It's Friday, November 1st, which a lot of people are already in the Christmas mood, but we still have Halloween going and going strong. This is my day 2 outfit. Now, you guys know I don't have any costumes, so I kind of just had to DIY a situation. I also have my friend who actually put in so much effort to her freaking costume, and I look so lame compared to her. Roki is here again.
I feel like a furry right now because of the tail. I applaud you, Wolf.
Do you guys see the attention to detail? The fangs?
The makeup? Let's get into it.
Tell me about this makeup.
Okay.
We are actually going to the spookiest place on earth, Frat Row, tonight. And we're gonna be frat hopping along the row, and I'll take you guys with me on my little camera. Guys, I feel better. I told you guys I had a sore throat yesterday. My throat is not sore anymore. So, I'm very happy about that. I'll see you guys on Frat Row. The line.
A few frat houses on the row had really long lines to get into their parties.
There are lines outside of houses.
Which is crazy to me. We're not waiting on a line.
I don't want to be a line girl.
No,
that's like not happening.
That's crazy.
So we're walking down the row and we're gonna like see what's around. But honestly,
yeah.
I will be here for probably 30 minutes
and then
I'm
I'm
leaving.
home.
I'm not like a frat person. So that it's probably gonna be done after this. We're gonna scope it out because it's Halloweekend and I said I would vlog for you guys, but
I don't want to look back at college and be like, oh, I wish I'd gone out more. But like, this is what's going out is. So
okay, wait. Rokia and I decided to go to this one house that didn't have that long of a line. Actually, it had absolutely no line, which is always a little scary.
whoa, okay. The decorations. Whoa.
The decorations at this house were super cool. I will say the crowd was pretty weak when we first got there, but after staying for a while, more people flooded in. But it was fun just being there with my friends. I feel like that's the best part about going out, being with people who make it fun. It doesn't matter what kind of party it is, it's about the people. But I will say at this point, I was starting to get kind of exhausted. My friend wanted to go to another party, but my body was starting to feel a little bit weird again.
Guys, there's like lines everywhere. I'm going home.
After trying to fight it, my deepest Halloweekend fears had finally come true. I felt, for the first time, actually really sick.
Guys, okay, I'm back in my apartment. I literally feel like so nauseous, like I'm gonna throw up. No, I'm not gonna throw up, but like I just feel like really, my stomach hurts so bad, and I tried to have like, basically earlier, I tried to have some coffee because I was like, it's late and I kind of want to go to bed, but I feel like this really messed up my stomach. Like, I feel like I'm having like cramps, but in my stomach. And also then that made me like start feeling really nauseous while I was out. So I'm home and it's not even midnight, it's 11:30. Maybe I need to drink some water. Maybe like I thought I was not sick and like maybe I am sick. Yeah, I feel not good at all. I'm gonna go lay down and I may or may not cut Halloweekend short. I did go to a Halloween party last week, so maybe that'll count as day 3. I think Halloweekend won and I lost. So thank you guys for watching till the end of this video. If this is where I leave you, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any more college vlogs. And if you made it till the end, comment pumpkin, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog, hopefully when I feel a little bit better. Bye.